Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Linda's Eating Show. It's your girl Linda, and today, you guys, we are going to be doing a challenge. A subscriber of mine suggested that I did the 2-liter chug. I've been dreading this because this is gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. Let's go, guys. Let's do a thumbnail. All right, guys, let's go. And I'm just letting y'all know, I'm not gonna chug this to where it's gonna hurt me or make myself throw up. I'm gonna take breaks. Subby said I can take some breaks, so I'm so freaking nervous. It's real soda. You hear that? It's brand new. Okay. Pray for me. You hear my voice is like shaking. Okay, here we go. It like burns. My tears are getting a bit dark. My eyes are getting so watery. That's all. I felt like I drank a lot. Okay, let's go. Oh. You guys just like to see me suffer, huh? Now I feel like I gotta burp. Oh, playing some musicals for y'all. I feel I'm about to throw up already. Oh, I don't feel good. Maybe I just need to burp really, really loud. Oh, I feel a lot better. Oh. Excuse me. Oh, and sorry, these burps are coming out strong. I'm not gonna be covering them up because I just need them out. So if you don't like it when I don't cover my mouth when I burp, just don't watch it, okay? Wow, a lot of caffeine sitting in the tummy does not feel good, guys. Okay, I think I could take some more down. When I drink it from the bottle like this, it feels like it's gonna explode. It's just hard. My daughter's hella laughing. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. You guys, this is hard. This is harder than the spicy noodle challenge. I don't know how that guy does it, that chugging, don't know his name, that chugging guy. He be drinking, chugging, all sorts of stuff. Yo, every time I take a sip and then it sits in my stomach, I feel about to throw up, but then I just burp and then I feel a lot better. I'm all breathing like I'm going into labor. That burp about to come up. Oh my god. Ooh. Because I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this. This is why I was dreading it. Yes, I'm done. I can't do it anymore. That was a lot of soda. You guys, this is torture. You guys, I'm not gonna hurt myself. I can't do this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't do it. I can't do it. I failed. But that's a lot of soda right there that I drank in one sitting right now. That's my baby calling me. Well, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed me suffering. I will see you guys in the next video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you leave a comment down. Make sure you like my video. Make sure you share it. Share it with everybody. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys have any other food eating suggestions, let me know. Or challenges. I will take up a challenge. I'm not gonna promise you that I'm gonna pass it, but I will take up your challenge because I'm very competitive. But this right here, this is hard for me. This is really hard for me. Like, I feel like I have to burp again. Come up. I know, Jalil, you told me to, or like, what'd you say? You said to swallow some air, or yeah, and then push it out. I don't know how to do it. God. Oh, excuse me. That was an ugly one. That was such an ugly burp. That one came out. I'm a failure. Close the door, close the door. That was hard. That was a lot of soda still. Come pat on my back, please. It's stuck. You hear the frog? Okay, daughter's here to help me.
Can I try the rest?
You wanna try? Okay. After this, after I burp. Oi. Oi. Maya. Okay, keep going. I feel like puppy, get your nose out of here.
I feel like you're like a tinier, like younger Mia.
I know.
Having to burp you.
You hear it? In my throat, like a little frog.
No.
Go lower. Okay. Okay, right there. She's hitting pretty hard. Oh my god, I'm not choking. Maya is hurting.
I know what to do when I'm choking, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, this way. And anyways.
I don't know if I was choking. I couldn't tell you which way. Okay, she's gonna try. And cut.
Hi guys, I'm taking over right now. But just now, I just ate a whole bowl of teriyaki chicken, rice, and vegetables. So it's gonna be kind of difficult, but I'm gonna try to drink the rest of this.
Go ahead, good luck.
Oh, I'm kind of scared now. I wasn't I thought if I was doing it, I'd get scared, but I wasn't.
The dang soda, girl. Turn to the side so they can see you.
I have burns.
Oh, right. Your eyes water.
Oh, I got a burp already.
Go. Keep drinking. Make a big burp. They love it.
Don't burp. I'm like this close to burping.
Don't throw up.
It's.
Oh, that was a good one. Good job. Okay, drink more.
You know, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna try to drink the rest of this.
Give me your best, loudest belch you can give me.
That's not the.
That's not the best, biggest one.
I know it's not. It's coming though.
Okay, drink more before you give us a burp.
I feel it going down.
It sits in your stomach.
Oh my god. Oh, I can't do it. How did you do all of it?
Girl, I was like struggling.
I only did like this much.
Not even.
Not even. Yeah, I can't do this. Maybe
You're done?
Angelo.
Yeah, okay.
Bye, guys. It was fun being here, but
For 2 seconds.
yeah.
Don't be shy. Just say. Alright, guys, so Angelo's here. He's gonna try to help us do this challenge. So, chug, 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 chug. Don't hurt yourself, boy. Burns, right?
Oh yeah.
Give me your biggest burp you can give me. Because Kamai gave me a couple.
Sorry. Let's wait till it comes.
Turn to the side when you drink so they can see. Yeah, perfect.
Wait.
Don't throw up, okay? I feel like you're about to throw up. You hear that in my throat? I'm about to burp too.
Oh.
What was that?
Oh no.
What was that?
No.
Throw up burp?
No more Coke for me.
You done? Say bye.
Bye. Wait.
What?
I feel another one coming. Okay. I'm gonna try to get it out.
Good job. You sound like you was about to throw up. Ooh, that was a good one. No, that's the one that was stuck since you were trying to burp me.